You're a war dog. You can take this.
All right, looks like fireworks are starting. Ooh, low. Oh, oh!
Oh, gracias.
That one hit the river. Whoops! I'm glad we're over here.
Ones or is this?
I think this is the official one. Where'd it go?
Where is it?
I heard it. I don't see it. There it goes. Oh shit.
Oh my God,
Boom,
that is
boom,
too
boom.
funny. Oh my gosh.
That looks so cool.
This guy got to get a little better at what he's doing, all right?
I think there's vegetables in the air.
Yeah.
I kind of like them on the water.
Did go off.
Whoa. Oh my gosh, that's too funny.
Oh, there's another one hits the water.
Whoa, wow, it's water fireworks.
Oh, I bet you those.
Whoa! Dead
That's one of those
fish.
parachutes up there. Those flying-
Caught some fish for the fish fry tonight. Whoa!
Oh, that one's hitting the water. Well, at least they don't go out when they hit. Huh? You think it'd sink right away? I guess not.
Ooh.
Come on, guys, get them up in the air a little bit.
That is too funny.
They totally are. Uh-oh. Woo. Huh.
People on the beach are running for cover.
Yeah. You're gonna get shrapnel.
Are they really? Yeah.
Oh, look at that one!
Yeah, I'd say that's pretty close.
Oh, look at that! There goes Henry's house. Whoa! Oh, that's too. Oh my God.
Oh, that's good.
You're over on this side now, Henry?
Yeah, right. Where the new building that they're building, we're right in front of it. Just the, let's see, you look at the street lights where they're launching from, the second one down is where my house is.